Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, Yomi Fabiyi leads protest over Baba Ijesha's detention. Let's check out details.
It's a criminal offense, it is evil. Besides anybody right. If anybody is suspected of any whatsoever, that is a criminal offense, the person deserves to be granted bail.
Popular Nollywood actor Yomi Fabiyi today led a protest at Kwanti against the detention of his colleague Olarewaju Omiyinka, popularly called Baba Ijesha, who was accused of molesting a minor. Yomi Fabiyi today led the protest over the prolonged detention of Baba Ijesha at Kwanti police station. During the protest, Fabiyi, accompanied by other protesters, marched from Casino bus stop to Kwanti police station, and they demanded that Baba Ijesha should be released from detention pending when a court would hear his case. Let's check out the videos.
It's a criminal offense, it is evil. Besides anybody right. If anybody is suspected of any whatsoever, that is a criminal offense, the person deserves to be granted bail. It is over. We don't want it again in our country, where any police officer will be holding citizens against their rights, will be incarcerating them against their rights, will be holding them against their rights. It is evil, it is criminal, it is why oppression continues in this country. It can be done to your son, it can be done to your father, it can be done to your brother, it can be done to your friend. Police officers should not hold anybody against their rights, should not incarcerate against what the law says, should honor bail conditions, should honor bailable offenses. It is not happening in society. It is not happening in society. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Don't ruin Lagos State. Stop making Lagos State look like a state that does not respect human rights. Don't ruin Lagos State. Any state that condemns or that ruins human rights is not going to be progressive. We don't want it. We don't want such in our society. We don't
the
want
one
it.
with you and that one is the same thing.
We
You
don't
can
want it in our
choose
society.
another one. That Nigeria is the same thing.
Of other people, whether the person is guilty or not, whether the person is the suspect or not, is not tenable in any sense society. Say iPhone 12 back there, I'm on Nigeria, hello, latest photo, to approach the court and the judge will approve it. They should not create the law on themselves. We are all citizens, equal rights. That is my message. Allow for the rule of law. Balance the story before you judge. If you don't have access to everything, allow those that have access to it to do the needful. Don't jump the gun. Stop raising or stop encouraging toxic society. We want everybody to be treated with dignity and respect. Equal rights. The police should not be treating our lower back on. No. Fame is not an excuse to oppress people. Money is not an excuse to make people. You can never be God. Respect the rights of everybody. Anybody that deserves to be bailed, any bailable offense should be honored. 10 o'clock, we are moving to party. We will speak and we hear our view. It is my right and I will stand by it. I don't care. If you want to turn Lagos to a state where the right of people is being abused, where they battle, where they torture, in 2021 we're saying no. And to get that done, you must stand up. You must stand for what is right. No, do not use children as bait in illegal trap or entrapment. It is a criminal offense, it is worse evil, and it is dangerous to the society. Children will start committing suicide. Because if you allow this new normal, children will be used as bait. They cannot decide for themselves, and when an adult who should protect them, aided and abetted how they are abused, then that is worse off. You need to come out and stand up for what is right. You need to stand for what is right. Don't be arrogant with ignorance. Seek knowledge. Seek knowledge. Don't be arrogant with social media. Àti rí pé ṣe wọ́n bá ṣe ẹ̀tẹ̀ lófin ẹ̀tẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan tó fi máa sọ ẹ máa fi ọwọ́ òfin. Nobody should put laws into their hands. It is criminal to use a child as a bait. It is criminal to torture. It is criminal to obtain confession under duress. All these crimes are not acceptable. It is criminal to detain indefinitely. Nobody should. No law has said that. Only the judge can detain. And if they will look at the merits of why you can stay, they have to keep you down or to give you your freedom. Only the court. And that person will have a freedom to express him or herself. Nobody should be treated like animals in this country any longer. We are all human beings. And that is why we have human rights. That is why we have human rights.
For justice, solidarity forever. Solidarity
forever, it shall recite our rights.
Wait. Hello, wait.
Come now.
you have any information for us?
My struggle.
Somebody has dropped it.
My struggle, my struggle. Freedom come. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Solidarity
We
forever.
understand what the police is doing, but we
Solidarity
don't want
forever.
anybody to dictate for the police. They should allow the police to do their work. We understand your sacrifices, your efforts, but nobody should come here to dictate. No, the assistant commissioner is coming. Just be talking. No, no.
Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. My struggle.
Freedom come.
My struggle.
Freedom come.
My struggle.
Good morning, sir. My name is Yomi Fabi. Okay. I'm an actor and a human rights ambassador. And on behalf of the Nigerian youth, I'm saying a good thank you to the Nigerian police officers. To be honest with you, personally, by myself, I know the work the police are doing is very tedious. And on my own honor, there is no time I see the police, even if I'm traveling, I always take time to see if they need assistance. But sir, we are disgusted when few weeks ago or thereabouts, some set of Nigerians tried to dictate to the police against what the law says. And we feel it is a shame on this country if that is allowed to happen. Police that I know will want to grant and honor any bailable offense. The police will want to respect anybody's right. The police is a major custodian of human rights. Without human rights, peace and development will never be achieved. Part of the rights that is in this country are what the police are using to discharge their duties. And that is why the citizens at any time must respect when the police are discharging their lawful duty. Also, the people have got the right. But what we observe is that when this man, one of our colleagues, Baba Ijesha, was brought here, so many evidences were thrown online, and the commissioner of police came out. We were like, we need to be patient. We want to see the rule of law take its course. Allow the police do their job. And the police did their job, and the CP came out and said it is a bailable offense. But what we noticed that after that, he's getting to 2 weeks now, he's not been released. We don't know whether he has any medical condition. We don't know whether anything he has not been granted fair hearing. We are not supporting the crime he's being accused of. Nobody will do that. We are not saying he did it or he didn't do it. You are doing your job. What we expect is that every sane citizen should respect that, because human rights is key. And that is why we are coming to express ourselves that you are our public officers. We trust and believe in you. I have written to the governor, I've written to the CP, and that's why I'm coming here again to express myself that, sir, irrespective of emotions, social media cannot dictate for the police. It is the law that will dictate for you. Sir, do the needful. Whoever deserves to be released on bail, please honor it so that we continue to respect and stand by the police. That is why we are here, sir. And we are very peaceful, as you can see.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. One of them is this. Oh, good.
Our action is always within the ambit of the law.
Of course.
Please, can you introduce yourself?
I'm the
This is one of it. They are not the law. Say
Name,
that.
sir. All right, thank you, sir.
So
So we appreciate your peaceful protest. I must say it categorically clear that we have never done anything about this.
Okay, sir.
It's a within specified time. Babani has been we are going to keep it, and if we had advised us what to do. What we are waiting for is for court to resume. As soon as court resumes, we are ready for lots of content.
But sir, can I say something, sir?
That is what is happening.
Wait, can I say something, sir? Sir, with due respect, sir, we are all citizens. And I know you that you love to respect. You are not interested in oppressing anybody. You are just doing your job. Even if the DPP advise, the DPP does not have the legal right to ask the police to detain somebody indefinitely, especially when the court is on strike. The best thing to do, sir, is to issue administrative bail and seek for a very reliable surety. Because at the end of the day, sir, that is going to be a bad antecedent. Sir, in this particular case, a minor is used as a bait, which is a serious criminal offense. The police have not even touched on that. There is an evidence of torture. The police has not touched on that. There is evidence of obtaining confession under duress. The police has not touched on that. And of course, these are so many things. They even came here, they threatened to even kill the suspect in your custody. The police have not acted on that. And since then, the people believe that they can actually threaten to kill anybody in this state now. I would never want to threaten to kill you, and I don't believe you will threaten to kill me. But if the police will be blind to all those ones, and we still want to hold him indefinitely, DPP advice is a legal advice. DPP advice is not the court. We should educate the citizenry that human rights is key. Following the rule of law is sacrosanct. Sir, I travel abroad. I will even talk to police officers here that why don't you even talk? They will say, I won't even take your rights away from you. They treat me like human being. Sir, when I get to Nigeria, the fear is that I will be treated like an animal. The fear is that they will treat my father like an animal. The fear is that they will treat your son like an animal. That is becoming a normal in this country. That is why we are not developing. We are a blessed country. Mineral resources will not help us to grow. It is our behavior towards ourselves. It is the power that we have and we use against ourselves that will determine if we're going to progress as a nation. This man is still adjudged innocent until proven guilty. We don't know whether he's being coerced. Even the complainer said they set him up. They put a video down, he called people, with so many people behind, we don't know they are holding guns. Police is not talking about that. Anybody will pick it up again, sir. You will start seeing cases, so people will start setting people up. And that is not what we want in this country.
Sorry, sir. In addition to that, sir, the number one person to have responsible as far as police institution is concerned in this Lagos state is the Commissioner of Police. And once the man makes a statement, we all believe it's an authority that we all should understand and stand by and obey. Sir, the Commissioner of Police came out to say this man is, the offense alleged against him is a bailable offense and he should be released on bail. Sir, I don't think there's any authority any other place, as far as this state is concerned, that you say otherwise, as far as what the Commissioner, in against what the Commissioner of Police says. So, sir, giving us the idea of the DPP and any other one now, I understand you, sir, and you understand much more better this job, more than we do. We are citizens, we are going by the law. But, sir, are we saying that what the Commissioner of Police said is not tenable compared to what the advice of the DPP, or we should hold our Commissioner of Police responsible for what is happening
right
now?
Or will he stay there 1 year because he's on strike? Will he stay in your custody if the court is still on strike for 1 year?
That's another point.
Wait, let him answer.
We collect all these complaints for the police.
I'm trusting you, sir. But, sir,
And we do.
when do you think we can come back again if you don't see any changes, sir?
I wouldn't think you went to come back, but there will be changes. I'm sure you have changes.
All right, sir.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm trusting you on that, sir.
Please trust me.
Thank you for all. This is the kind of police. If I have money, God save my, if I have money today, I will give all the police officers here. But please, advise us, go and create a kind of stuff for the police. We deserve to support this kind of police.
So,
this is the kind of. Tinubu was about Nigerian police. Go, sir! Go, sir! Go, sir! Police officer. Go, sir! Go, sir! Go, sir! This is international standard. Respect.
But at the same time, please,
I want two people to disperse from here.
Don't use that.
Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry, Oga. Don't worry.
Who is telling me that? Who use that kind of phrase on me? Who is you people?
That's okay. That's okay.
Oga,
Sir, we appreciate your peaceful conduct.
Thank you, sir.
We appreciate your concern and everything will be addressed and attended.
All right, sir.
God bless.
Can I see you in private?
Why not?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Convoy.